In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix internet not working on CapCut. So the first thing we need to do is open up our CapCut here, and then you want to go to the top right hand corner, click on the settings icon. From here, you now need to go down, click on settings. Once you head over to settings, you want to go down and then you will now see an option for cache size. You then want to click on the trash can icon. You want to clear all of your files, and what this will do is it will essentially refresh CapCut. Now, if this doesn't work, what we can do is we can go back. We can then go over to our Wi-Fi in the top right hand corner, select Wi-Fi settings, and then you want to go down to your Wi-Fi, click on the three dots, select forget this network, and then you want to forget your network and then rejoin your Wi-Fi. The last thing that we can do is we can head over to Chrome. Once we open up Google Chrome, we can then head over to CapCut. And then you want to go ahead and uninstall CapCut and then reinstall CapCut to your device, whether it's a mobile device. So you want to click on download for free. This will then start the download in the top right hand corner. And then once you have done this, you can then simply click on it. And then this will then reinstall the latest version of CapCut, which should work and which should fix the problem that you are having.